students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Asrar Amin, lecturer Commerce, Higher Secondary School, Swagam. Today, I want to give you the lesson regarding competitive situation method and trade practices analysis. It is one of the topics of our entrepreneurship. This is the second part of our market assessment. In this part, let us know that what are the things that an entrepreneur has to face while going in the market. The topic is competitive situation method. My dear students, you know that we are living in a buyer market. We as competitors, we as entrepreneurs have to face different types of buyers. The buyers with different tastes, different temperaments, buyers in different regions of the world, buyers with different fashions, and when we are going to introduce a new product in the market, whether that is a product or that is a service, because an entrepreneur has to deal with both the things. He is going in the market with a service or with a product. He is facing a situation that is called a competitive situation, and it is a method. It is a method that an entrepreneur has to face while going in a market. Especially it is a situation when a new product is to be introduced in the market. In this situation, what happens? That we are having different competitors in the market. So it is a situation that when a seller comes in the market with a product or with a service, and he is having different competitors in the market, and this situation is very tough for an entrepreneur while going in a market, because he has to find out some questions and he has to answer these questions for being successful in the market with his product or with his services. So in this situation, he has to know that how many people he has to compete with. Or in this situation, he has to know that what are the things that, what are the weaknesses and what are the strengths of the product that is already in the market. Because when he is coming with a new product, he has to see that what are the weaknesses or what are the strengths of those products which are already available in the market. If he doesn't know all these things, he will not be successful in the market. So this competitive situation method, it compels an entrepreneur to know the answers of different questions. I already told you that he has to know the number of competitors, that the people whom he has to compete in the market for while introducing his goods or his services in the market. Second thing, I told you that he has to know that what are the strengths and the weaknesses of the product or of that very service which is already available in the market, because unless and until he knows the weaknesses and the strengths of the product, he cannot be successful to introduce a new product in the market. Third thing is that he has to see that what are the trade practices of the competitors. This means that how the competitors with whom this entrepreneur has to compete, that how those competitors, they are continuing their trade practices. In this trade practice, you must know that he has to know that what are the agencies with whom they are introducing the product in the market or the service in the market, whether that is sufficient or additions or alterations or substitutes are needed for this new entrepreneur in the market. So he has to see this thing also. And then in this competitive situation method, the entrepreneur who is going to introduce a new product in the market, he has to know the customer, who are his main customers, or what is the target group for that very entrepreneur who is coming in the market with a new product or with a new service. And again, at this very time, at this very moment, he has to see that who are the customers I am sharing in the market with my competitors. So he has to know both the things, that who are the customers with him, who are the main customers, or we can say that is the target group for this very new entrepreneur who is going in the market. And he has to know at the same time that who are the customers that he is sharing with the entrepreneurs or with the competitors who is having in the market. So unless and until he knows all these things, he cannot be successful in this competitive situation, because he is facing a tough competition. As we say, it is cutthroat competition in the market. It is called cutthroat competition. Survival of the fittest, as we already know, survival of the fittest. The person, the entrepreneur who is fit in the market, he can survive. Otherwise, the people or the entrepreneurs who are not fit to compete with others in the market, he cannot be successful in the future. So all these things, all these four questions he has to know, and he has to find out the answers of all these questions. My dear students, I hope that this competitive situation method, it has been clear to you that what is this method. And inshallah, we will just discuss the second method, that is trade practices analysis. Inshallah, it will be for tomorrow. So I again request you that be safe in your homes and try to go through these lessons we are dropping on the YouTube for the convenience of you students. So be safe and go through these lessons. Thanks.